So hello guys, today we are going to start our first class and in this class I am going to start the logic behind the backend. That means today I am going to start uh, three-tier architecture. Okay, na? So let me write something. Okay, 1 minute. Three tier architecture. What is three-tier architecture? See, suppose you have a suppose you have a suppose you have a PC. Okay, suppose you have a PC or laptop. Suppose this is your laptop. Okay, so in your laptop, one day you will typing www. You are typing. Suppose one day you are typing www dot facebook.com. Okay, suppose one day you are typing. Whenever you are typing this URL, what is this? This is nothing but URL. What is this? This is URL. Whenever you are typing this URL, whenever you are typing this URL in your laptop, one page will be open in your PC. Okay, one page will be open in your PC. So you know this page is nothing but our home page. This page is nothing but our home page. So as soon as you uh, click the this URL in your home page will be visible. Okay, and in your home page there is something like in your home page there is something like sign up, something like sign up, or we have like login. Yes or no? So in your home page there is like sign up, login. Suppose you want to suppose you want to log in your Facebook ID. Whenever you are clicking your login ID, whenever you are clicking a login ID, it will be showing another page, which is showing the another page. Okay, so it will be showing another page, and this page is nothing but your login page. This page is nothing but your login page. Yes or no? Whenever we are clicking uh, one login button, it will showing one login page. Okay, and in this login page we have username, okay, so we have a password also. Yes or no? We have username and we have password also. So you are giving your password like ABC, and you are giving your suppose you are giving your username ABC and password like 123. Whenever you are giving this data to login your Facebook account, this data will be fetch the fetch with your database and it will give the output. But how it will be internal working, I will tell. Okay, let me create something. Uh, whenever first I will tell. Whenever you are entering this URL first going to the server of the Facebook. It is going to the server of the Facebook. Okay, so in backend we have one server. Every website, whenever we are entering our URL, it will going first the server side. Then in server side, 1 minute, guys. I want to delete this. Okay, so okay, so whenever you are clicking this one, whenever you are clicking URL, this URL going to the server of the this is server of Facebook, server of the Facebook. So this URL going to the server of the Facebook, and every server has two parts. Every server has two parts. One is middleware. Second one is middleware. One is middleware. One is middleware. One is middleware, and second one is what? Backend. Second one is backend. Okay. So this middleware consisting of various languages, or this middleware is designed by various languages. The language is nothing but so many languages like Java, Python, Python, .NET, .NET, Java, Python, .NET, like PHP. Okay, so many language we have. So this backend is nothing but our SQL. So SQL means we can say Oracle, Oracle, or MySQL, MySQL, MySQL. Okay, 1 minute, guys. Okay, so what happened? First, you click the URL. It will going to the server of the Facebook web page, and uh, this this URL taking as a request means it will act as a request. It will act as a request for that server, means server of the Facebook, and this request uh, reach to the server, and it will fetch the uh, corresponding site, and it will give one response. It will give one response, and it will give one response, so that our home page will be visible. So that our home page. So how it will be visible? The developers already written this code in our middleware. So it will coming here, and the code whatever written here. Suppose every middleware is using so many languages. So Facebook also built by Java. So we can say home.java, suppose. So here, whenever we are clicking the Facebook, it will fetch all the code written by the developer, and after fetching, it will give one response. It will give one response, and this response is visible in our web page. Okay, now this response is visible in our web page. This is nothing but response. This is nothing but our response. Okay, so this response, after getting the response, it will visible. So suppose again you are clicking sign up button. Whenever you are clicking sign up button, it is coming to the middleware part, and in middleware part, uh, developers are already written the logic behind the sign up. Whenever you are clicking the sign up button, this is suppose sign.java. Okay, so whenever you are clicking the sign up button, the code written inside the signup.java or sign.java, this code will be executed, and after executing, it will give one response to the user. Okay, it will give the response to the user. Yes or no? So like that, whenever you are clicking anything, suppose you are clicking login button, it will going again and searching the logic behind login. So it will again go and searching the login.java, and here Suppose I am writing, uh, suppose I am giving the name login.java, login.java. Okay, so your code, the logic behind the logic will be executed line by line. After executing, after executing, it will give the response. It will give the response and showing the login page. Okay, it will showing the what? It will showing the response to our web page. And in whenever we are entering our username and password, this username and password already stored in our database, already stored in our database. So I will tell what is database, what is everything I will tell in details. So database is nothing but uh, storing the data storing the data in row and column, storing the data in row and column. Okay, storing the data in row and column. So this is the database where all the data are going to store in a table format. Table format means a row and column. So our data will be stored in row and column. Suppose you have a Facebook account, and in your Facebook account, suppose this is nothing but suppose this is username. Suppose this is username. Suppose this is your password. Okay, suppose this is your password. Suppose uh, suppose this is your like address, email, like that we have. Suppose this is your email. Okay, na? Suppose this is your email. So whenever you are clicking and giving the value ABC, this ABC value will first it will go to the login page, it executing, and after executing it will go to the database and searching your data. If your data will be matching, if your data will be matching, if your data will be matching, okay na, if your data will be matching, it will give the response. If your data is not matching, it will not give the response, it will give throwing the error. So suppose your data will be matching. After the data matching, this backend give the response to the give the response this response to the middleware. Then this middleware give the response to the client or user. So it will give the response to the user, end user. Those running the web page is are known as means response. Let me write response. Okay. So it will first login page, it will go to the middleware and executing the code written by the developer, and it will fetching, or if the data will be matched, it will give the response to the person, so that we can access our account. Okay, so this is the logic behind, and this logic is known as, or this all the from user interface to backend to user interface, these are the three-tier architecture, because this is nothing but front end. Three-tier, why three-tier? This is the front end part, front end. This is the front end. Okay, so this is the front end, this is the middleware, this is the backend, three parts. So there's a three-tier architecture. Okay, so this middleware written by the Java, Python, PHP.NET, and this backend is nothing but SQL. And in SQL there are so many like Oracle, MySQL. So we have also NoSQL. We have also NoSQL. We have also NoSQL. Like NoSQL. NoSQL means we have one MongoDB. MongoDB. In MongoDB, it is not using SQL. So, but I am not teach this language. I am teaching the query language, that is SQL. Okay. So this is the logic behind the uh, backend. I'm going to teach the SQL part in next class. So this is the overview of the three-tier architecture. So hope you will understand. So thank you. See you in next class.